Tutorial: Navigating the Physical Workspace. This tutorial explains how to navigate the physical workspace. Click the Physical tab to view the physical workspace. In the physical workspace, you can view a physical representation of devices created in the logical workspace. This is the physical toolbar. It contains buttons to navigate and manipulate the physical workspace. The navigation panel shows the location of all objects in the physical workspace. This includes cities, buildings, wiring closets, and devices. The back button will move you up one level in the organizational hierarchy. This field shows your current location in the physical workspace, which is the intercity. This section is for creating new objects in the physical workspace. Depending on the level, different types of organizational objects can be created. After an object has been created, you can move it to another location in the physical workspace by clicking on the Move Object button. A grid may be applied to each level of a physical workspace. A different custom background and icon may be applied to each level of the physical workspace. This allows you to create a variety of different contexts for the networks you build. As network devices and servers are created in the logical workspace, they are automatically placed in the working closet. Non-networking devices are placed in the corporate office by default. Devices can also be deployed directly into the physical workspace. If networking devices are dragged into a wiring closet, they are put into a rack. Non-networking devices are put on tables. Outside of the closet, devices are placed in the container that is shown in the location indicator on the physical toolbar. Devices may also be cabled in physical mode just as they are in logical mode. There are several ways to navigate the physical workspace. To access a sublevel, click on the icon for that level. For example, to go to the home city, simply click on the home city icon. This is the home city level. Go to the corporate office, click the corporate office icon. This is the corporate office level. Go to the wiring closet. Click on the main wiring closet icon. This is the main wiring closet level. To return to the upper level, the back button may be used. Another way to move around the physical workspace is to use the Physical Locations window. Click the navigation button to access this window. To jump to a location, select a location or a device from the list. For example, you can select Intercity to jump there. Then click the Jump to Selected Location button. Click this button to close the window. This ends the Navigating the Physical Workspace tutorial.